Want a digital business card you can edit anytime and see who views it? Let me show you how with vCard Garden. You can create up to 3 vCards free during your trial. Let's make your first one. From the homepage, click Go to Dashboard to get started. Then, click Create New vCard. There are 5 templates to choose from, each designed for a different profession with its own layout and fields. There is a primary color field you can choose to match your branding. Fill out all of your contact information you want showing on the page, a brief bio. You can use your own format for most of these fields. You'll want a good profile photo. All images must be JPEG or PNG format. Don't worry about leaving fields blank. You can preview your page in a minute and make edits anytime. For the small business owner template I am using, you can put up to 5 featured images. I have it toggled to Publish Live. Click Create vCard. You will see the page you just created below. You can click on the eye icon to see the page live. Your live page shows all your info as a professional web page with its own shareable URL, ready to promote your business. Every published page includes a downloadable contact file and a QR code, making it easy for anyone to save your info instantly. Need to make changes? Just head back to the dashboard, edit your page, and republish in seconds. Each page has built-in analytics showing where your visitors are, what device and browser they're using, and when they viewed your page. You can also export your analytics to CSV for deeper analysis or record keeping. Head to vcardgarden.com and create your professional digital business card in minutes. It's free to get started.